Hello everyone, welcome to Brilbook. In this video, we will have a look at BOM deviation process. We will cover the following topics in this video: creation and approval of production order, planning and scheduling of production order, mapping of new BOM, then we'll see submission and approval of deviated BOM. So now for BOM deviation, we need to log in to Brilbook. Here I have already logged in with production user. For BOM deviation, first we will create a production order. For that, navigate to production, expand production menu list and then click on orders. On the orders list page, with the help of create button, we will create a new production order. Here on the production order create page, I will enter data only into mandatory field for creation of this form. So here into the basic section, I will select product as angular contact ball bearing, then select route, then select inventory reservation. I will select inventory reservation as on scheduling and then select BOM. I will select BOM as ball bearing underscore BOM. Now click on save button. Our production order is now created and we can see different tabs like operation, production order item, deviation, quality check and quality failure appeared. So now our next step is to submit and approve our production order. For that, click on approval and then click on submit button. Our production order is now submitted. Now we will approve this production order by logging in with design user. I have logged in with design user and you can see we have received a notification regarding the approval of production order. I will click on this notification and here click on approval and then click on approve button. Our production order is now approved. Now we will log in with production user and do the further process for BOM deviation. Now I have logged in with production user and we are on the detail page of production order. Here we can see status of our production order is marked as approved by design. Now we will plan and schedule our production order. For that, click on the plan button on the ribbon of the detail page of production order. We can see our production order operations are created and status of our production order is marked as in planning. Now we will schedule our production order. Click on the schedule button on the ribbon. Status of our production order is marked as inventory checked. Reservation has been done. Now our next step is to create a BOM deviation for this production order. For that, click on deviation tab, click on create button. BOM deviation create page has been opened and you can see reference from BOM and item has been mapped according to the production order that we have selected. Add name for the BOM deviation. I will add name as ball bearing deviation. Now select to BOM. I will select to BOM as BOM for ball bearing and then click on save button. A BOM deviation record is created. Now we will submit this BOM deviation and then further approve it. After approving, design user will approve this. After submitting the BOM deviation, design user will approve this BOM deviation record. So now we will log in with design user. I have logged in with design user and I will click on the notification that I have received for BOM deviation approval. On the BOM deviation detail page, click on approval and then click on approve button to approve the BOM deviation. We have successfully approved the BOM deviation. Now let me show you from BOM and to BOM record. So now first we'll see from BOM record. This is the BOM that we have selected earlier while creating the production order. Name of the BOM was ball bearing BOM. And we can see there are 3 BOM lines as body CF 6.3 m, monel welding rod 6 mm and monel welding rod of 7.5 mm. Now we will go back to the BOM deviation record and now we will see to BOM record. So here name of the BOM is BOM for ball bearing and lines we can see body, actuator and body CF 3.2 m SC. Now we'll go back to the production order by logging in with production user and we will see which BOM has been mapped for the production order that we have created. Now I have logged in with production user and we are on the detail page of production order, and here you can see that our design BOM and execution BOM is changed as BOM for ball bearing. Earlier we have selected BOM underscore ball bearing as our design BOM, and now we have replaced our BOM with BOM for ball bearing after creating BOM deviation. So in this video we saw creation and approval of production order, then we saw planning and scheduling of production order, then we saw mapping of new BOM for the production order through BOM deviation, and at last we saw submission and approval of deviated BOM. Thank you.